This is Clixie Assistant, the AI tool that transforms how you generate leads and build relationships. Clixie works where you work, on LinkedIn. It finds the right people, connects with them for you, and turns your engagement into real opportunities. Start here by uploading your own target list, or let Clixie extract profiles for you. Set filters like industry, role, or location, and Clixie creates a precise list of leads in seconds. You can download the list as a CSV or re-upload it to keep things moving. Clixie works with groups too. Use it to grab members from LinkedIn groups you're part of, instantly turning those groups into lead pools. Want to stay connected? Clixie focuses on your network's posts, skipping the noise. In just one click, you can engage with hundreds of people at once, keeping your business top of mind. And when it comes to posting, Clixie makes it effortless. Just tell it what you want to say, and it crafts a professional, engaging LinkedIn post in seconds. But it doesn't stop there. Clixie helps you build relationships by commenting on posts, sending tailored messages, and inviting hundreds of people to connect, all seamlessly and in seconds. It's not just automation, it's meaningful engagement, done smarter and faster. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or recruitment, Clixie Assistant is here to save you time, scale your efforts, and deliver results. In 2025, all it takes is Clixie.